you actually became a judge of the Delhi High Court at a very young age. What was that like?
It was in mid-40s that I became a judge of the High Court. I had 3 seniors who were elevated, and one of them went on to become the Chief Justice of India. Was itself an inspiration. Never realized how tough the life of a judge is. The nature of work and the solitude that's required and the lonely existence that you have, it really hits you initially. That you live a life of a goldfish in a pond. There are no barriers for a lawyer. But for a judge, there are a lot of self-imposed barriers. For you to excel is important on merits, to be recognized for what you are. You may win or you may lose a case. The grace with which you do it in court is also a recognition. There's nothing personal. Sometimes a lawyer crosses that line and takes it too personally. So if you're prepared and the lawyer is prepared and answer the first question you pose or a second question, cutting point, which is important. If you make that point and the judge won't ask questions, it's a question of notice.
Achieve a certain level of recognition in the world to continue to have a lending ear.
For a Chief Justice, if you keep your ears shut or live in an ivory tower, you're done for. You don't know what's happening on ground. You must be in touch. Your hand has to be on the pulse. Right. You must know what's happening in each district. A woman in the legal world has to fight her battles in almost every stage of her career, whether it is when she enters the practice, when she mainstreams herself, even when she goes and when she's given a panel.